A look at the questions for this speaking unit. For each page, you will hear some directions at the top. I'll read them out loud and you read them to yourself. And then you'll look at the pictures, listen to the question about the pictures, and then answer the question. The students are taking an important test in school today. The pictures show what is happening during the testing session. Use the pictures to explain what is happening from the beginning to the end of the test. For this question, you could use words like in the beginning, next, finally, and just use the pictures to help you find the words you'd like to use. Let's look at number 2. Ren, Anita, and Omar are graduating from high school. They are holding up their high school diplomas. Why is a high school diploma an important document? What does it mean? For this type of question, you don't start with the word because. You would rephrase the question. A high school diploma is important because a high school diploma means, and give the amount of detail that you can. All right, that's a transitioning question. Let's look at number 3. This is an expanding question. After high school, students take different paths to their careers. Some students go on to college. They may study for 2, 4, or more years to get a college degree. They may become teachers, accountants, engineers, or doctors. Other students enroll in technical school. They may learn building and manufacturing trades, information technology, or healthcare technology. They may become carpenters, welders, computer technicians, or medical aides. What kind of school would best help you get the education for the career you want? Explain why that kind of school would be best. So again, here you want to answer in complete sentences, and you can start by rephrasing the question. The kind of school that would help get the best education would be, that would be the best because, okay, if you can't think of what you'd like to do in your life, just use the pictures. No one's going to know if you really want to become a doctor or if you really want to become a carpenter, but just use the words you can think of. The last question for this exercise is the commanding question. Many students begin working while they're still in high school. When you apply for a job, you first fill out an application. Then you are called to come for an interview. At the interview, you are asked questions. These questions help the people who are hiring know if you are right for the job. You get to ask questions too. This helps you decide if you would like the job. At a job interview, you always want to present yourself well. How should you behave on a job interview? So for this one, when you're thinking, you really want to give as much detail as you can. Use the experiences and the vocabulary you might know about a job interview or ways that you should behave when you're around somebody more formal. For this one, it's the commanding question, so you really want to try to say as much as you can. One sentence isn't going to cut it, so try to say as much as you can to get the full credit.